Hello, this is Virgil Labrador, Editor-in-Chief of Satellite Markets and Research, and we're here in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, with Oliver Vogel. He's the Director of Sales and Marketing for RF Design. It's a German company, and here to talk about his company and what they're doing here in the Cable and Satellite Show here in Dubai is Oliver. So Oliver, welcome to this videocast.
Hello Virgil, it's good to be here with you. Thanks for the opportunity to letting the audience know who we are, what we do, and why we are here in Dubai at the Cabsat. Who we are, RF Design is a medium-sized company with headquarters in Loos, Germany, which is about 30 minutes south of Frankfurt. We do our own development, manufacturing, and marketing of our own products, RF distribution gear. While we do have product types like splitters, combiners, switches, matrices, redundancy switches, line amplifiers, very unique broadband remote spectrum analyzers, as well as we are very known on the market for doing tailor-made solutions. Whenever the client has a specific need for RF distribution gear in their facilities, we work closely together with them in order to give them a solution that fully fit their needs and demands.
Right. Now talk about your typical customers and any ongoing projects that you're doing.
Well, our typical customers since our establishment in 1998 are teleport operators, independent teleport operators, followed by satellite operators. A small portion is also the broadcasters around the world, as well as broadband operators like cable operators and IPTV headend operators.
Right. Yeah. Now you're doing something here with HorizonSat in the Middle East.
Yes.
Yeah, talk about that a bit.
HorizonSat actually was our first client here in the Middle East. We started the cooperation at the Cabsat in 2011, where I met their CTO, Mrs. Subaya Mullapilli. And at that time, HorizonSat was about to think about establishing a new teleport in Bavaria, close to Munich.
Right.
And we were selected to provide the RF over fiber transmission from the teleport antenna site to their network operations center back and forth, while we have integrated, I think, 57 or 56 fiber links, while these are working fully one-by-one redundant, both for L-band and for higher frequency.
Right. Now, here at the show specifically, are you highlighting any product?
Yes, we do. We do have some new products which we show here at the show, which you see here on the right-hand side from me is our new FlexLink K4 L-band switch routing matrix. It's actually a 32 by 32 L-band matrix, which can be expanded to up to 128 by 128, while of course also smaller configurations like 4 by 4, 16 by 16 so far and so on are also possible. The matrix itself is fully modular type, expandable, while it has a very unique mechanical design in the terms of the expansion of the system does not need any other products like a splitter and combiner.
Right.
That means that all of the boards we have integrated in the unit, like the input switch boards or the output switch boards, are equipped with cascading interfaces, input and output cascading interfaces, which are used for expansion of the system.
Right.
So if you want to grow from a 32 by 32, for example, to a 32 by 48, or to a 32 by 64, all you need is a second slave chassis, input, output switchboards, and cascading cables, instead of putting combiners and splitting it in between.
Right.
This is something very unique.
This is a newly launched product?
This is a newly launched product here in the Middle East and Asian region. We firstly launched the unit at IBC last year in Amsterdam.
Okay. And how is it going so far since it's launched?
It's going very well. We actually have sold out of our FlexLink Matrix series, which the K4 is a part of. Besides the FlexLink K4, we have the K3, which is a 64 by 64 modular type scalable matrix, expanded up to 256 by 256.
Right.
And then we have smaller matrix, the FlexLink S2, which is an 8 by 24, as well as we have made some custom-made matrices, for example, for Viasat, which is the K31S, but all of the FlexLink series, we have sold since 2011 about 50 plus units all over the globe. And all type of configurations, 32 by 32, 64 by 64. The biggest one was, I think, a 48 by 128, for a cable operator in north of Germany, I guess. I'm not really sure.
Right.
Yes.
Now, you said your products are used all over the globe. What regions, including the Middle East, where you see the most potential for your product?
The most potential for our products at the moment, I see, besides the Middle East and Asia, as well as Africa. Well, Africa is a growing market, but a slowly growing market. It's very difficult to get in unless you have the right partner on site,
Right.
which we do have, but still it takes some time.
Right.
In that region, we need to put our brand name a little bit more aware, make the brand a little bit more aware to the market. At the moment, our biggest market is the US, where we have very close ties with Viasat and Cabsat, as well as with Intelsat, and followed by Europe, of course.
Right. Now, how does a small company like yours, small to medium-sized company like yours, have such a wide reach, Oliver?
Well, the reason is quite simple. When I joined the company in 2010, the company was mostly focused on providing tailor-made solutions, while at this time they already had close ties to Intelsat, Eutelsat, SES, while Eutelsat and SES are also very good customers from us. We do a lot of custom-made solutions for SES in Luxembourg.
Right.
The reason was just, I mean, if you want to be alive in the market, if you want to survive on the market, you have to spread your wings and fly around. I mean,
Right.
the market demands the solutions. While the competition is not that big like it is in the cable market or so, and it's a niche market we serve, and it's a sophisticated market. They need good products. We do good products. And we might differ a little bit from the competition in terms of we make custom-made solutions.
Right. Well, that's a very good overview of your company and your products,
sir.
Oliver.
Appreciate it.
Is there anything else you want to add? Or?
Yeah,
Final thoughts?
I mean, it's good to be here at the Cabsat. Our focus here at the Cabsat is, of course, to find new clients, to establish the relationship with our existing clients, like with HorizonSat. Arabsat is a client from us in the region. But we're also on the move of looking for system integration and distribution partners. Because we are a small company, we need strong partners in the region, like in the Middle East, South Asia, as well as North Africa. And we are very look forward to welcome all the people here on the market, let them know what we have, what we do. And yeah, I mean, it's good to be here. It's my 10th year here in the show. It's a great show. A great opportunity to present the products and to meet people, to meet the right people. It's a growing industry, especially here in that region. And when you look around the show, I mean, you see that the people visiting the show are high potential engineers, CEOs, CTOs, as well as all the exhibitors have something to show what the market needs.
Well, thank you very much, Oliver.
You're welcome anytime.
And for all the news and information on the global satellite industry, you always have Satellite Markets and Research at www.satellitemarkets.com. Thank you.